In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix size in Canva. If you've ever opened a design in Canva and realized the size is wrong, you already know how frustrating that can be. Maybe you need to turn a social post into a presentation slide, adjust a design for printing, or simply fit your layout into a new set of dimensions without ruining everything you've already built. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier than trying to rebuild the design from scratch. To get started, open Canva and go to your homepage. From there, find the design you want to edit in your recent projects or saved designs, and open it so it fills your main editing workspace. Before doing anything else, make sure you're actively clicked into the design window so Canva is focused on that project and ready to accept your changes. Once your design is open, move your attention to the top area of the editor. Instead of dragging the canvas manually or trying to stretch elements one by one, look for the option called Magic Switch. Click it to open Canva's resizing controls. This is where you can quickly change the format of your design in a more controlled way. Inside that menu, you'll have two options depending on what you need. If you want a standard format, you can choose from presets such as presentation, Instagram post, or flyer. These are helpful when you're moving a design from one common layout type to another. If you need something more specific, choose custom size. Then switch the unit to pixels if needed and enter the exact width and height you want. This is especially useful when you're working with platform requirements or precise custom dimensions. After entering the size, click Continue. Canva will then give you a choice. You can select Resize this design if you want to apply the new size directly to your current project, or choose Copy and Resize if you'd rather keep the original version unchanged and create a resized copy. In most cases, making a copy is the safer choice, especially if you want a backup. Once the resize is complete, take a moment to review the layout. Move elements around if needed, and use Canva's alignment guides to help center objects and keep spacing clean. This quick check is important because resizing can sometimes shift text, images, or margins slightly. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if you're preparing it for printing. Finally, click Download to save your finished file. That's it. You've successfully fixed the size of your Canva design and exported it in the format you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.